Hello friends, welcome in my channel Code with Bhupendra. I am Bhupendra Khilrani. Today we discuss how we can create procedure and functions in plsql programming. So let's start. First of all, we have to see the objective of this video. In this video, I will explain what is procedure and function, syntax, normal procedure versus stored procedures, example program using normal procedure function, same example using stored procedure function, data dictionaries for stored procedures, and finally about my upcoming videos. About procedures. It is a subroutine or module that may take 0 or more parameters but will not return a value, like void function in C. Function is also a subroutine or a module that may take 0 or more parameter but also returns a value. Syntax of creating a stored procedure. First of all, we have to write create. Writing or replace is optional, required only when procedure with the name already exists. Then name of procedure, parameter. It may act as input or act as output or act as both input output. Data type is whatever local variables you require. Begin, where we give executable part. Exception part to handle the exception, which is optional. And finally end. In syntax, case is not sensitive, so we can write in any manner. Syntax of creating a stored function. Syntax is same as creating procedure, but we have to write function as we have to give return and data type that we have to return. Now, normal procedure function. These are defined inside the declare section of plsql program. No need to specify create or replace. The drawback is can be used only in the program where they are defined. Store procedure function. Get stored inside Oracle database just like other objects like tables and indexes. Benefit is once these are defined, they can be used in any program. All built-in functions in Oracle are stored functions. In example program, I am using Notepad and SQL command line tool, but you can use some professional ID tool for the same job. In my example program, I will create process swap to swap two numbers and a function interest to find simple interest. So I am using Notepad to type the code. First we have to define declare section, begin section and end. I am asking user to enter value of A, enter value of B, and calling a process swap AB. So this is calling procedure. Similarly, I am writing I equal to interest 1000, 6.25, 1 year. This is calling function. Since we are assigning value to the variable I, which is written by this function. Finally, I am displaying result. Value of A, then value of B, then interest. Value of I. Now, we have to declare some variables. So we have used A number, B number, I number. Now, as per the definition, normal procedure functions are defined in declare section. So I am defining normal procedure functions here. So the first procedure is procedure swap. A in out number, B in out number. Then is I need a local variable T of type number. Inside begin section, I am writing T equal to A equal to B equal to T. end representing end of procedure. Similarly, function interest, P in number, R in number, T in number. Now here we have to write return number is. Inside begin section I am writing return P into R into T upon 100. Now this is end of function. Now program is ready. We have to save it. I am saving it inside D drive, procedure1.sql. Now in SQL command line window, I am already connected with Discord user and writing set server out on so that DBMS output will display the result. Now @D drive procedure1.sql to execute the code. Asking for the value of A, I am saying 9. Value of B saying 2. The result is now A is 2, B is 9, interest is 62.5. Now in the next program we have to convert this program into a stored procedure function. So how we achieve it? We have to remove this part from this code and store it inside another file and just add create or replace. File, save as. I am saving it as swap.sql. Now again compile it. So the message is procedure created. Similarly, we have to remove this function from the main program and just add create or replace. Save it with some name. Say interest.sql. Again compile it. Now both functions and procedure are created and the program will reduce to this code, which is much shorter. Again execute the main program. Say A 100, B 200. So we are getting 200, 100 and 62.5. Now stored function can also be called like this. Since it is stored inside Oracle database, it will give it 67.4. Now data dictionary for stored procedure function. If procedure are created by user himself, we have to use user underscore procedures. Granted by others are inside all procedures. On by DB are inside DB underscore procedures. So we can query like this. Select object name, comma object type from user underscore procedures. So it is showing the first object name is interest, which is function. Second object name is swap, which is procedure. Friends, in my upcoming videos, I will cover what is cursor and how we can create user-defined exceptions. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like. Thanks.